Welcome back. You made it to the fun part, people. We're going to be customizing this to make it your own. Everything here, we're just going to make it our own. Absolutely everything. The whole teardown. So what you want to do, you can either edit it from here, go to edit page, or if you're on your dashboard, you can go to pages, all pages, and home, front page. This should be the front. Every time you see black font, it's dedicated to something. So we'll go here, and I'll show you here. There's a couple different ways to do it. This is the visual editor right here. Since this page is already made, go to view page here. This page is already created. The home page created for us. We'll be using the muffin builder, but the other ways to make pages is visual editor and the old-fashioned WordPress default editor. You can type in anything here. You can use the front end back end editor for this, and then here's this. So you can see blog teaser right here. You can move it, do whatever, but this is a blog teaser. So right here, this would be a button. Of course, there's a button right there, right below the blog teaser. And then a column. There's a column. So we'll open that column up. Our training courses. H3 means header 3. So header 1 is the biggest, header 6 is the smallest header. As you can see, this is not the biggest. This is probably header 4. We'll go down to this. Column, header 4. Exactly. As you can see, there's a little bit of code here, but it's pretty easy to figure out. This is a href means a link. So this is a link to Happy Webpages /programs. So that'll bring you to happywebpages.com/programs. When you click this, our training programs. Exactly. So we'll go back. Now how you edit this and make it your own is really your own choice. There's a few things right out of the box. So let's say I really don't think that I don't think that I'll need this. I'll go over here. And since I know this is it, let's just make sure here. The button's right here. So what is this? Where is this? The way you find that out is, of course, we already found this. It's right here. We'll just press this button just to make sure. We'll hide it before we delete it completely, and we'll update. Once this is done, then it's done updating, and then we'll view the page again. We'll see if it's gone. Of course, it's gone. Also, I really don't want anybody calling me or using my map for the type of business that I'm making, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of that too, or at least hide it for now. So that's the map. That's the header for the map. So you can see there's the map, and we'll just get rid of it. So that's gone. Update. Now it should be gone. It is. Now we have a bunch of this bulk right here. I don't really need anybody to see this for the type of website I'm making. So where you change that is actually, you go to customize. This is where it gets a little tricky. This is why this training is so helpful. Those are called widgets. So down the footer, this is called a footer at the end of your website. If I don't want that, categories, there's categories, remove. remove, gone. I'm going to do that. As you can see, now it makes it a 3-column instead of a 4-column. It's smart. So if you only want 2 columns, you'll see exactly how that looks in a second. See, now this is stretched. These are both stretched. Actually, I guess it's a 5-column one. Wow, that's a lot of columns. Alright, I'll get to that last one later. We're running out of time. Save and publish, always. Saved. After that, you're probably wondering, how do I get rid of this? Okay. Here's another thing you wouldn't know unless you went here. You find that in Appearance, BeTheme Options. BeTheme Options, go to Global, Logo. If you have a logo, put it there. If it's not transparent, if you don't have a logo, I'll have a video for that later. I'll show you exactly how to do that. But for now, I already have it set up because it's a little bit timely. A retina logo is a logo that's just twice as big. Right now, I'm not going to do that. I'll make the actual logo, this one right here, I'll make that 50% smaller. I'll show you how to do that too. Save changes. I'll go over here, visit site, middle click so that you open it into a new window. You still have this running. Happy Webpages. Looks just like mine, because it is. Another thing that we always see when we're doing BeTheme themes is buy now. This will bring you to BeTheme's website. We want to get rid of that. We don't want anybody going, we don't want our traffic going there. We'll find that in menus. Menus, this was the sample menu I made. So where's the menu? Looking for the menu now. Main menu. So depth 5 overlay 1. That's the one we want to use. Where is she? Ah, sorry. It's right here. Main menu. Select. Here it is. So if I don't want an events calendar, page, remove. I think I have a video in the beginning that shows you how to do this, but just as a refresher, see the link goes to Theme Forest. I want to remove that and then save. Alright, visit the site. There it is. All of that, perfect. So in the next video, I'll show you a little bit more. Alright.